want to show you this finished basement we just completed with some special features that you'll think are cool. A music room, a workout room, and a clubhouse for the grandchildren. Plus a whole lot more. Let me show you around. In the main family room, we have a really nice snack bar with stainless refrigerator, freezer, and built-in custom cabinets with a quartz countertop and then beautiful tile backsplash. The upper wall cabinets are 40-inch tall with two-piece crown molding. On the upper cabinets, we have LED undercab lighting, and all the doors of all the cabinetry have soft close mechanism, and also the drawers have soft close mechanism as well. Part of the main family room hosts a theater area that boasts a 99-inch flat screen TV. Some of the features in the main family room are 5¼ baseboard with shoe that matches the upstairs trim. We also have columns that we make into a recessed column with crown molding at the top. And then throughout the basement, where the higher portions of ceilings can be made, we have a suspended ceilings with a 2x2 foot panel that's a 3D type that disguises the grid work and lends itself to a more residential feel. The lighting throughout the whole basement project are LED puck lights. We've gotten away from can lighting, as you cannot always center them where you want them because of the floor joists and the height of the can. Throughout the whole basement is an MSI click-together 100% vinyl flooring in a light oak that's 100% waterproof should any water set for any long periods of time. Right off the main room is an office. The cabinets that you see here were originally installed upstairs on the first floor. Part of the job was to remove them and reinstall them in this space, which the homeowners say works out so well for them. On double doors, they used to use a ball and catch to hold the door closed. A nifty thing that they have come out with recently is a very strong magnet that holds the door in place. One of the coolest features of the project was making the band/game room. It boasted 2x6 walls that were filled with soundproof insulation in the ceiling to make it so the music would stay within the room and not the rest of the house. A few of the custom touches in the game room was a pool light that eliminates shadowing on the pool table surface. We also have a wrapped recessed column where the steel columns that support the steel I-beams. In the music game room, the homeowner needed space to put all of his posters from all the concerts and bands that he's seen over the years. And it's quite a remarkable collection. One of the owner's requests was that he was going to make a bump out in the basement look like a stage with side curtains. So he wanted to have backlighting above to give it that effect of like it was a stage. A special little space for the grandkids is under the stairs. She wanted a crafts room for her, and we built her a nice craft room with generous closet space with deep shelving. In the full bathroom, we have 12x24 Pamesa Carrera Gold tile and a matching quartz Calcutta Gold countertop on top of countryside beautiful maple shaker style cabinetry. In both the countertop and the flooring, there is subtle brown veining that ties in well with the caramel stained cabinetry. In the shower, there's a beautiful niche with a basket weave mosaic tile and the Moen Annex dual shower head system that gives you the benefit of a handheld sprayer and a fixed head sprayer that you can switch from one to the other. Finally, we've reached the exercise room, which is fully supplied with all the weightlifting equipment and treadmill that you would need to get a good amount of exercise. Just off of that is a semi-finished furnace room. The homeowners wanted finished floor and as much finished wall as we could give them. It just makes it a nicer, cleaner look. 36-inch door allows easy access for any service of water heaters or furnaces in the future. We also added a separate zone system heating and air conditioning system for the entire basement. The end result is a spectacular finished basement that doesn't feel like a basement. It's simply amazing and the homeowners love it. If you have a project, give us a call at KLM Builders.